Now we have to show that the area of a triangle formed by the lines whose equations are y is equal to m1. Now given equations, y is equal to m1x plus c1, equation 1, then y is equal to m2x plus c2, equation 2, and x is equal to 0, equation 3. These three equations are given to us. So on behalf of these three equations, we are having x is equal to 0 in one of the equation. That's why I have made a rough diagram here, because x is 0, so two equations will be having coordinates for x as 0. Okay. Now let's go first for the equation with having x as a 0. Now solving equation second and third. Now x is equal to 0, so we are getting y is equal to 0 plus c2. Y is equal to c2. So the coordinates we are having that are 0 and c2. So according to our figure, so let this be point, let upper point, let it be B with 0 comma c2. Okay. Therefore coordinates of point B is 0 comma c2, intersection of equation 2 and equation 3. Okay. Then now this was one of the part, then second one, solving equation 1 and 3, y is equal to 0 plus c1. In equation 1 we are having c1, okay, or y is equal to c1. Now so that's why I have just given that point as a B. So let this point be A. Now coordinates of A are 0 comma c1. Okay. Therefore coordinate of point A is 0 comma c1, intersection of equation 1 and 3. Okay. So now we got the idea that where the line should go. Okay. So third part now. Solving equation 1 and 2. Now subtracting 1 from 2, we get 0 is equal to 1 from 2, y and y cancels, 0 is equal to m1 minus m2, sorry, m1 minus m2 with x plus c1 minus c2. Okay. X is equal to c1 minus c2 upon m2 minus m1. Okay. Or you can write it c2 minus c1 upon m1 minus m2, one and the same thing. Okay. So we can write it, that will be better if we are writing c2 minus c1 upon m1 minus m2. Okay, because when C1 minus C2 goes to this side, sign has been changed. Okay, and substituting value of x in any of the equations. Suppose we are substituting equation 1, then y is equal to, we are having in equation 1 y is equal to m1. So, we can write it y is equal to m1 with C2 minus C1 upon m1 minus m2 plus C1. So, on solving we are having y is equal to, we will be having this one as C2 m1 minus C1 m2 upon m1 minus m2. Okay. Now, therefore, coordinate of intersection of equation 1 and 2 be C. So, let this point be C. Is it clear? And the coordinates of C are now, we are having C2 minus C1 upon M1 minus M2 and C2 M1 minus C1 M2 upon M1 minus M2. Okay. Now, area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2. Now, I am going with some easy method. Okay. So, it will be 0 with C2, 0 with C1, then C2 minus C1 upon M1 minus M2 and C2 M1 minus C1 M2 upon M1 minus M2, again with 0 and C2. Okay. So, easy method. Now, what we are going to do, like this one and with this one. Okay. So, we are having this is equal to 1 by 2, then here it will become C. Now, 0 with this one and this one both are 0, then minus. Okay. So, this one half, then now this with this one is 0. So, we are left with this one with this one. Okay. So, we are having negative of C1 minus C2, sorry, C2 minus C1 upon M1 minus M2 plus C2 with C2 minus C1 upon M1 minus M2, or this is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. So, now this becomes 1 upon 2 C1 minus C2 whole square upon M1 minus M2. Proved. Okay, one thing. Now, for the area of triangle, I am just going to give you a hint once again. We are having a hint, and the hint is how to find the area of a triangle. Now, area of a triangle is equal to, you can just write the x1, x2, x3. Here we can go with y1, y2 and y3. Okay. So, if you do not want to go with this one, then you can go with this part. Now, this is half. Now, start from x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. So, even you can go with this one, and coordinates for x1, x2, x3, we are having x1 a, okay, x2 and x3, not x3, this one, x3. Similarly, y1, y2 and y3. Okay, you can move it that part, you will getting, because here now x1 is 0, x2 is 0. So both the parts will be finished, only this is left, and we can solve it, we will be getting the